In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Microsoft Power Automate from the Microsoft Store on Windows. Power Automate is Microsoft's workflow tool that helps you save time by automating repetitive tasks across your apps and services. To get it onto your PC, start by opening the Microsoft Store. You'll find it in your Start menu, click the Start button and type Microsoft Store, then select the app with the shopping bag icon featuring the Windows logo. If it's already on your taskbar, you can open it from there as well. If the store takes a moment to load, that's normal. Give it a few seconds to fetch your connection and update its catalog. Once the store opens, look to the top and find the search box. Click into it and type Power Automate, then press Enter. You should see an app named Power Automate published by Microsoft Corporation. Click that result to open its product page. If you see similar names, make sure you're choosing the official Microsoft app so you get the correct features and updates. On the product page, you can skim the description and screenshots to confirm it's the desktop app you want. Now click Get or Install to start the download. The button may briefly show a spinning indicator while it prepares, and then you'll see the download and installation progress. Depending on your connection, this can take a minute or two. If you're prompted to sign in with a Microsoft account, that's normal for store installs. Sign in to proceed so the app is added to your library. If the button says Update, the app is already on your device and only needs to be brought up to the latest version. If it says Open right away, it means installation is complete. If the download seems slow or pauses, leave the store open. It will resume automatically when your connection stabilizes. On work or school devices, installs may be managed by your organization, and you might see a notice about that. When the installation finishes, the button will change to Open. Click Open to launch Power Automate immediately. You can also find it later by opening the Start menu, typing Power Automate, and selecting the app. On first launch, you'll land on the Welcome screen, where you can explore what's possible and adjust basic preferences. If you encounter any first-run prompts, review them and continue so the app can finish setting itself up. And that's it. You've opened the Microsoft Store, searched for Power Automate, downloaded it, and opened the app. Thanks for watching, and enjoy automating your day.